Hey, YouTube fam. It's 4th of July.
No,
we're on our way.
It's 4th of
the 3rd of July. It's the night before we're on our way to a torchlight parade in our hometown.
Let's be the way we were when we first began. Yes, we've got something special. Let's hold on, don't let go.
We're missing some of it because it's already started.
You want to be in it? Yeah, Walker.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, nah, nah.
Just sit here, Mom. Here. Well, they're fine. We can go down there. But look, just sit there.
What do you mean, you're gonna go down there? Oh, okay.
Your arms, I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go.
What do you think, Ivy?
It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love.
So hard!
I'm in love. Yeah.
Pop the horn!
I'm slipping away. Just like I'm dreaming. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now.
Wow, t-shirts and a bunch of candles. Awesome. Ivy, say hi.
Deep in love with you, baby, yeah.
Hi, YouTube family.
Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh, it's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah.
Hey YouTube fam, how you guys doing? Happy 4th of July. It is 6:50 p.m. and we're just leaving the house. So we out here at the waterfront for the fire day.
Fireworks.
For the fireworks. We're up here at the waterfront for the fireworks. How cool is that?
Yeah, of course.
You're too big to be a puppy.
Do you have pit bull? Huh? He's a bully. Oh, bully, yeah.
So don't hold me
Oh yeah, those look good.
You want this on it? No?
We ordered this for me and Ivy. It says, what is it?
Philly?
Philly cheese steak or chicken. I think we got the steak,
Yeah, you got
right?
the steak. Yeah, look at it, looks
It
good. doesn't it?
smells so good. It smells spicy.
I think. Is it like shaved ice and ice cream? It's like lemonade slushy with ice cream inside.
escoges? Porque yo no las escoge bien.
Chile, sal y limón.
Sí, todo. Es 4, ¿verdad?
Sí. ¿Mayonesa queso chino?
Do you want my, yes, my, poquito do. Oh, eso va a estar en el,
Mayonesa.
en el elote,
Ajá.
pero no más poquito.
Así o más.
Ay, yo no sé.
¿Queso?
Sí.
I have mangoes. Mangoes.
He got mangoes. I got ice cream. He got mangoes.
Okay, 45 more minutes until the sun goes down. It's a waiting game now.
I think it's 45 more minutes.
9 o'clock, right? 9 o'clock, sun goes down, I
Sun goes
think.
down at
45 more minutes.
9. Okay, so we're sitting here. My dad is playing Fortnite under that blanket right there, unfortunately. He wanted me to tell you guys that back here, somewhere, people are doing their own little fireworks. It's like a pre-show. They should be back here. So you see that? See that whoop? See that? So that's the pre-show. So yeah. So Fortnite over here. Wanted me to vlog that.
Stop. Okay, so these guys finally came back.
With what? Yeah, the situation was what?
My wife brought me a coffee.
She wanted something hot, so she got something hot, but then decided it didn't work out. So then I had to try it, and then we didn't like it. So then we went and got
Like what? What'd you get?
It was supposed to be a fried tomato. Fried green tomatoes are amazing.
Okay, the real fireworks are starting. He is on a hoverboard. Hey y'all, happy 4th of July! We free! Give us freedom! Be sure to subscribe, give us that thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Bye.
Subscribe.
What?
Not subscribe. Subscribe. I can't talk.
She thinks she's super smart, but she in college.